Seattle, as you can tell. So we're here to represent, and let's show you where we're at. That's right, my people. This is the Evergreen State. So hey there, I'm Senor Fumo. This is Seattle, Washington. This is a legal state right here. We're here at Univision, ready to do our thing. So I'll tell you what we're going to do today. I'm going to give it a little bit in Spanish. Órale pues mi gente, aquí estamos adelante de KIRO 4, donde vamos a hacer una entrevista por Univision, está hablando de la marihuana y cómo es bueno para uno de salud. So por eso estamos aquí hoy. So basically what I'm telling everyone here, we're here to represent today. We're here to talk about the cannabis. That's right, we're here. That's what we're here for. Because this is the Evergreen State. And let's show you what we're going to go ahead and rock and roll. We're going to represent with, because this is Seattle. Yeah. So here it is. The Fumo Pipes in town. Rock and roll, here we go, Seattle. That's what it's all about. So I'm telling you now, you gotta do something, you better represent, you better tell the world what we need to do. This law is changing on us, so get out there, let your representative know what has to happen here. We cannot stand still. We are patients. Tell them what our rights are. Órale pues, órale lo que estoy diciendo en este momento. No podemos estar aquí parados como nada está pasando. Por eso llego aquí para hablar para nuestra gente, para explicarles que nosotros como pacientes no podemos quedarnos con la boca cerrada por esto que quieren hacer hoy con esta nueva ley que quieren cambiar por los pacientes. Eso es ridículo porque los pacientes solamente viven con un poquito de comida, un poquito de dinero. Ahora que les quieren cobrar demasiado en la medicina, eso es un ridículo. So basically what I'm saying is the patients are poor people. They are barely getting by. The last thing they need to do is worry about paying for money for medicine that's ridiculously outrageously priced. I mean, come on, what are we doing here? All right, peace out. La Fumo Pipe, gonna go up there and talk to Univision.